Hi guys, I'm Michelle. So today I'm going to show you how I made this DIY storage flower box centerpiece, and I made it using Dollar Tree products. So it's very simple to make, very affordable. I was inspired by a YouTuber. I think her name is Designs by Michelle. I'll leave her information down below. But I did majority of what she did using the Dollar Tree items, but I did add my own little twist to it so it can also be used as a storage box. So it's very useful. You can hide little knickknacks. For me, and more than likely I'll probably hide my remote in here so I won't lose it every 2 seconds. But yeah, so you can actually lift it up and store pretty much anything you need to store in here. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Let me know if you like it so I can make more videos like this. I love doing DIY videos, so there'll definitely be more on the way. If you have any specific suggestions, leave it down below. I'm so excited. Hopefully you guys can get along pretty easily, and thanks for watching. Bye. So I used about 7 sets of red roses and a black poster board. And also you're going to need a bowl to color up the roses or flowers you select to use, a Valentine's Day bucket, and flower foam, also a ribbon, scissors, and a glue gun. So here I'm just actually tracing out the bucket, as you see, on each side. Then I just went ahead and cut that out. You may have to, once you actually put it on the bucket, it may not fit exactly perfectly, so you may have to go back in and make a few adjustments, as you see me doing here. I did have to cut it just a little bit more. And I'm just double checking again just to make sure it's a perfect fit. And now what I'm doing, I'm just going to go ahead and glue the ribbon at the bottom of the actual poster board, where it's going to be at the bottom of the bucket. I just went ahead and did this step first because, I don't know, it seems like it'll be a little bit easier just to do it while it's flat, instead of waiting until I glue it to the actual bucket and then add it on there. So it was a little quicker process for me to do it that way, so I did go ahead and just make sure it looks right. And for this particular one, it does end up a little slanted at the end, but I actually kind of like that look, so I didn't cut it straight. I just kept it slanted. It looked really neat that way to me. Okay, so now I'm actually gluing down the poster board to the bucket. It's just a really quick process, as you see. And this is where you can actually see the little slant when you get to this part. But if you do want to cut it straight, you can. It just depends on how neat you do it. And okay, now I'm going to actually use a little flower foam. So for this step, I was just cutting it to actually fit the bowl. Okay, and I tried to actually just stick the foam in there with actually gluing it down, but I did have to go back in and glue it down to actually get it to work properly. I also made sure to take off the leaves from the roses before I started putting them in there. So I just went in a circle and just sticking the roses in there. I didn't really do it a particular way. I just kind of went around in just a circle. Here, I didn't have any photo paper to actually print out the label, but I printed out the label and I used tape. And then I actually just cut it out so it could have more of a shiny effect that way. So this is the before, how my little table looked. And this is the after. I didn't really like the ribbon that I had at the bottom because it didn't match the actual label, so I just used the top of the bucket as you see here.